Hey, what's up, self-publishing KDP sellers? It's Ike Paz, and today we are looking at cut and paste worksheets. Let me show you what this is. Cut and paste worksheets generator. Excuse me, cut and paste worksheets generator. That's a mouthful, and it's a powerful tool. Anyways, I'm gonna have this page down below. In it, I'll go over my bonuses and the upgrades. But before I do any of that, I want to show you the actual tool. Now, these are from the people over at Cloud Dor, and they make amazing tools to help you create and sell on sites like Amazon KDP. So I'm going to go from activity to math. From puzzle to math, I'm going to activity book, and I'm going to select cut and paste worksheets generator. And from here, I'm going to go down to the elite. I am an elite member. You don't have to get to elite to make this work. I would never promote a tool that requires you to get the upgrades. The upgrades are always optional, but I just want to show you a quick little show on how this works. Okay, so right now, if you want to create a book in bulk, all you got to do is click the book creator. Of course, this is an elite feature, and you select the option you want, and you click go, and it creates a book, a cut and paste workbook for your end users. But you might be asking yourself, well, like, is this even a category? Well, yes, it is. Let me show you right quick. Let me type in cut and paste workbook. And you can see that right now, people are actually searching for this type of workbook. And let's put cut and paste activity. And there's more there for you as well. Okay, so there's all types of keywords you can go after within this market. So let me go back to this tool right here. So as you can see, there are many types of worksheets we can create. As you can see right here, the end user, our customer, people who buy our books off of Amazon KDP, they have to cut this out and paste the correct shapes together, right? That's an obvious one. Another way you can create a book is just by going down the list. This is the FEs, front ends, very generous with the front ends. I just click whatever template I want, and it pops down right there. Let me go to another one here. I'm going to use this one here. And quickly, you can create a book of over 24 pages, right? Really cool. Let's go to some more advanced. Let's go to OTO2s. OTO2s have more images and stuff. Okay, look at that. Okay, they have to cut and paste the correct, to finish the pattern, right? Like the schema. They have to do that to finish the schema. It's really cool. Let's go down some more. Let's go to this one here. Boom. Another shape type of worksheet. Look at that. Okay, really cool. And we have I think we have a Halloween one coming up next. This is really cool because they have to cut this part out right here, and then they have to assemble and create the exact same shape that's up here. This jack-o'-lantern. Let's use this one here with the dresses. Okay, and you have all these different presets and templates that you can use to create your book. And without even trying, you can create a book really fast. And once you're done, you always want to go here and make sure that you select no numbering. I want just the number, and click update. And then you have the numbers like that. You got 1, 2, 3. And of course, it formats correctly, formats perfectly. If you want to use a different trim size, you just select it right here. And once we're done with that, we click download. And you have the option, of course, depending on your upgrade level. Again, I'll have information on the upgrades up here. I'll show you right quick. But if you watch any of my videos, you know that I often go with PDF because PDF is a one and done product. So I click on that, and that's it, just like that. And there's my book. Okay, really cool stuff. Again, this is you're targeting parents like myself who have kids and want to educate the kids at home. Okay, and I've bought many of these types of workbooks myself. And so this is a really cool tool if you want to get into the cut and paste niche on Amazon KDP. Now, before I go, I want to show you my bonuses. I have exclusive bonuses for this tool, okay, you scroll down here. Just to be transparent with you, I am not currently in the cut and paste cut and paste workbook market. I'm going to be for sure, but this is just showing you what can be done. Okay, but I am definitely in mid content. I am definitely in high content, and technically, I'm also in low content. But I haven't created a low content. I still sell low content books, but I haven't created a low content. Man, it's been years since I've created a low content book. It's just not worth it. It's so easy to create now. Anyone can do it. Anyway, scroll down here. I have for you the upgrade information. Well, that's embarrassing. I was just editing this video and I realized I didn't talk about my never before seen bonuses. The cool thing about these bonuses is that they're congruent with this tool, with the cut and paste workbook generator, which is really important. They're never before seen, like I said. And second, you don't have to get any of the upgrades to claim these. All you have to do is get the basic front end version. Okay? So watch the rest of the video. I also got a special question for you to let me know if you've made it to the end. Okay, so let's finish this video. These are brand new, never before seen, 5 done for you book plans for this niche, 25 plus template KDP swipe files for this niche, for this market, the scaling playbook for this market, 8 proven cover templates for this market. Okay, so there you go. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. See you inside. If you have any questions, let me know. It'd be good. Take care and have a wonderful day. And like I've been doing recently, because this is what I'm thinking for this tool. Cut and paste. I would tie this up with holidays. That's what I would do. I would tie this up with holidays, Halloween, Christmas. I wouldn't just leave it as, you can definitely do that. You can definitely just sell it as a workbook for ESL or whatnot with the letters and whatnot and, learning your alphabet. You can definitely do that. And you should. It's very easy to create with this tool. But what holiday would you focus on? Myself, I would do Christmas. Okay. Christmas is a big thing for us. Even here in Japan, it is. So I would definitely create a Christmas style cutout workbook to sell online, okay? Because it lends itself, right? When you're around, when you go to someone's house for Christmas, we bring people over and stuff, or at least I do. The kids are around and they have nothing to do, and I don't want them to be on a screen. It's educational at the same time. It's tactile, right? And I think they can get more out of it by cutting and pasting, okay? What holiday, if any, or would you just go the regular route with maybe an ESL book? What holiday, if any, would you focus on with this type of workbook creator? Let me know down below. I'm curious to know, and it's the only way I know that you made it till the end. Okay, be good. Take care. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Be good.